ice machine. Ice fishing fun, only at Saginaw Eagles Landing Casino and Hotel. Real fun, real friendly. Visit SaginAWeaglesLanding.com for complete rules and details.
Get 11% off everything at Menards. For over 60 years, Menards has been the one-stop shop for post-spring buildings. Whether it's protecting equipment, livestock, or you just need a place to keep your toys, Menards has a post-spring building for you. Design and buy your new post-spring today for 11% off. There's no limit to what you can save. Good through February 26th. Savings are mail-in rebate. Some exclusions apply. See store for details.
Kroger, shopping with pickup and delivery is the same as shopping in-store. Same low prices, deals, and rewards on the same high-quality items. One small trip for groceries, one big win for busy families everywhere. Start your cart today at Kroger.com. Kroger, fresh for everyone. Return to fun, 8-6
Right now, you can score 4 for 5. Mix and match participating items and get 4 bags for $5 with your card. Check it out and save today.
It is with great respect and humility that we, the people of the Rock Palace of Lake Orion, bring to you a President's Event celebration beseeching all others. And so, to honor the great people of Detroit, the Rock Palace in Lake Orion has thus concluded. And to further decree, they are the best releases of 2023 gifts and 2023 weapons. So to you, we put forth these offers at PalaceCJD.com.
At Schaeffler, we pioneer motion, electrifying mobility, manufacturing smarter, reducing CO2 emissions, making energy production clean.
Live and local. Voice #1 news station. News Radio 950 WWJ.
Good morning, I'm Jonathan Carlson. Time now 5:31. Ice on trees, ice on power lines, and ice on the roads. It all adds up to major problems across the metro. WWJ's Charlie Langton joining us live for the latest from Oakland County. Charlie.
Yeah, that's right, Jonathan. That sound you hear in the background is pretty much what you're going to hear if you pull into a parking lot or you go into a subdivision or even on the main roads. That's salt. No snow. I don't think we got any snow, but we got a lot of freezing rain. And what is it, 26 degrees right now with my temperature? And that's because of the rain. It just froze. 380,000 DTE customers, no power this morning, and it's pretty much equally spread throughout the Metro Detroit area. Again, no snow, but just a lot of ice causing the trees, the power lines to honestly look beautiful, but the weight of the ice is causing the power outages. Billy Kyle, he's with Fleet and Landscaping. He put down 3 tons of salt to melt that ice.
Made my Boston album earlier today.
What about you?
Yeah, I made some.
Aspirate?
Yes.
Why not? Let him ask for a raise. He deserves it. He's been out since 10 o'clock this morning. The other thing is, the roads are a little bit slippery. You're definitely going to have to reduce your speeds because they can't get that much ice to melt because of what happened last night. But just take it slow and easy. But there are a lot of salt trucks out here. You got 380.
Wow. There's a lot of trees down everywhere.
5,000 people with no power. Charlie Langton, WWJ News Radio 915.
And the WWJ's Mike Campbell now. He's in the Dearborn area.
Yeah, right at
Dearborn Heights, kind of that corridor there. Telegraph and 96 is where the power is out that I found. Pretty big batch, actually. The outage map says not too many, but it's geographically called Telegraph to Inkster and 96 to about 5 miles. In that swath there is where the power's out. A little bit south of that, not as bad. Talked to John Hall. He's out spreading what he says has been 20 tons or so.
Yeah, just 20 tons or so. It wasn't too bad down this way.
20 tons, John.
Well, it's not really that much considering everything. Generally, we go through at least about 40 a night for each storm.
I have to concur with John. I don't think it's that bad out this morning because the roads are...
It's not passable. Yeah. Yeah. The little ones were okay, but I can't get past that one.
Just That's it.